Article 14, Aggravating Circumstances. The following are aggravating circumstances. Number 1, that the advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2, that the crime be committed in contempt or with insult to public authorities. Number 3, that the act be committed with insult or in disregard of the respect due the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that is be committed in the dwelling of the offended party if the latter has not given provocation. That the act be committed with abuse of confidence or abuse ungratefulness. That the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where public authorities are engaged in discharge of their duties, or in a place dedicated to religious worship. Number 6, that the crime be committed in the nighttime or in inhabited place or by a band, whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Number 7, that the crime be committed on the occasion of a conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamities or misfortune. Number 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or persons who ensure or afford impunity. Number 9, that the accused is a recidivist. Number 10, that the offender has been previously punished by an offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Number 11, that the crime be committed in consideration of a prize, reward, or promise. Number 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, derailment of a locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. Number 13, that the act be committed with evidence premeditation. Number 14, that the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Number 15, that advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Number 16, that the act be committed with treachery or alevosía. Number 17, that means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effects of the act. Number 18, that the crime be committed after an unlawful entry. Number 19, that there is unlawful entry when an entrance of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Number 20, that the crime be committed with the aid of persons under 15 years of age, or by means of motor vehicles, motorized watercraft, airships, or other similar means. The 21. Let the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commissions.